Okay, in Minglava, in this videos, we are going to add a new page to our existing report we have created last week, right? So now let's add a new page by clicking add page, right? It's not the add data. Click on the add page, okay? So once you click on the add page, this is a page will appear. Okay, let's give a name to our first page as a yearly analysis, right? Click on the three dot and rename it, and then just type yearly analysis, all right? And then next page, we will call it trend analysis, right? And then close this. Now go back to page two, okay? Page two don't have any information, but page one have all the data that we have created. Now, what we want to do is we want to appear this title to appear on every page of our report. So let's make this title to the report level, right? Click on the arrange and then click on make report level. And then this title will appear on our report, right? Okay, so now on this page, we are going to see the trend, right? How does it change over the time? So we will add a check on the time series, right? Let's add this one and then make it bigger, right? And x-axis is an investment year, but for the y-axis, we will change it to return of investment, right? Likewise, we will change it to the average and name to the average return of investment and then number to show in percentage. Okay, good. All right. Then on our style, we will show our X as the title as well as the Y as the title, and then we will add the border. All right. Tick. Okay, this is a result we see. All right. So this data showing here is for all the program you have ran from 2012 to 2020, all right? But what we want to do is we want to show the only per program, so we will add a control to select the program, all right? So for this, our control fee is the investment program, and we don't need the matrix for this, all right? So let's say if I choose only the online donor, this is a result it will appear. Okay, all right. But my line graph is not that fantastic yet, so I'm going to change a bit on their style. All right, let's go back and change the style. Here, I'm going to show the whites. All right, markup. I will put the markup. I can also show the data labels, but which is not very nice. All right, so I'm not going to add this data label. It's up to you to see whether we want to put it or not. But I find it a bit overloaded because we already have the data on the y-axis, so we will remove this, all right? And then next, we are going to add a chat to see how does it change for the two costs, all right? Which is two investment costs. Okay, let's go and study the investment cost, all right? So investment year, for the cost, we will put the acquisition investment, and then we will add the new metric, which is the retention investment. All right. So this is a color it will show. Let's go and change the style to make the color distinct. All right. So we will put the white. All right. Okay. For both series 1 and series 2. Okay. Then let's go and change the series 1 colors to be the yellowish, all right? And series 2 color maybe a bit towards the reddish. Okay, good. All right. Now let's put the x-axis and y-axis title for this data. Okay, all right. So you should appear both left axis as well as the right exit and then exit title. All right. For Series 2, we want to show it on there, right as it. So this is a retained investment. This is a acquisition investment. You're not going to use a once as it, right? We want to show the both as it. So you have to choose a is it, right? Okay. Now we have to put one more check to see the uh, data for the number of donors recruited. All right. So again, we can use the time series, or here we can even show the y-axis. All right. Okay, let's look at the matrix. We will choose the donors recruited. Right. And then to make the color distinct, let's go and change it to color to be a different color. Maybe we can use a green color. All right. And let's show by the bar. Okay, let's show by the bar, right? To make it a bit distinct. Okay. All right, and then we will show the data labels, which is not very nice, so we don't need to show. All right, and then let's show the y-axis as well as the x-axis value. Okay, and let's create the border for that. All right, let's go and add the border to make it bigger. Okay, so for this one also, we want to add the border. Okay, let's add the border here. All right, okay, very good. So if you view your result, this is what you are going to see, right? So the page 2 trend analysis show you the data for each investment or program over the year. How does the return on investment or like investment cost has changed over the time, or number of donors recruited. All right. Okay. By selecting the different data, you can see different program. You can see the result for different data. Okay. If you go back to the yearly analysis, this is the result you are going to see. Hope you enjoy as much as I enjoy on this creating a beautiful interactive dashboard. I'm looking forward to see more interactive dashboard from you. Thank you very much.